What's going on, everybody? I figured today I'd record, or actually I'm gonna try and actually make some more videos. Some of you guys don't know I got hurt, or my foot got hurt, but today we're gonna continue or try and add to like the Civic content that we had going during the summer. I think it was the summertime. We got enough money to actually get a motor for the Civic. I've been keeping a close eye on the Facebook market, and I finally found a car. I'm actually gonna probably buy the whole RSX, and I got it for a pretty good price. And right now I'm picking up the dolly, or the little trailer, to go get the car. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna film this or not. I didn't know if you guys want to really see me pick up the car or not, but I figured it'll be good content for you guys anyway, since it's part of the whole process for the Civic. So yeah, I'm right here at U-Haul. I guess this truck that I have, I can't really use the full trailer, which was like $10 more. I don't know why, but this truck doesn't qualify. This car was pretty much totaled, like all the airbags are out and stuff, but the engine and the tranny and all the other stuff are still good. So I figured that me towing it by two wheels or whatever, the two back ones, isn't gonna be a big deal. So I'll see if I can film the process for you guys. I don't know if the guy's gonna be bothered by me doing that, but yeah, let's go in here, go get this trailer, and then we'll head out. It's like an hour and a half drive, so I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So I spent like an hour trying to get this the trailer onto this truck, and I couldn't do it. Like the hitch, hold on, let me show you guys. The hitch, like down there, like that right there, and the little plug was just like not working, so I couldn't really use this truck at all. They wouldn't even let me rent it, so I had to rent a U-Haul truck. And then now me and Martin about to head out and try and get this car. Hopefully everything goes smooth now. We got a working truck and we got the trailer on there. So, oh man, more money spent. And I had put like half a tank in the other truck. So now when I return this truck, I gotta like fill it up. So what up, Martin? So that's what it's looking like. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure this is pretty simple to use. We'll figure it out when we get over there, but yeah, this right here wasn't working on the other truck, and I couldn't even slide the hitch on the other one, so I had to end up renting a truck. I'll probably spend like 80 bucks or something altogether. I don't even know. Whatever. So we're about to head out. It's freezing out here. This guy's already messing with the radio.
Like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her.
Turn left.
Hopefully it's not in a tight corner though. Cause I don't know how to drive this shit. They think we're gonna steal a car, you heard?
Yeah, they probably are.
Yo, get that man with the U-Haul. That's just gotta be back
Nah, it's
here.
gotta be back here, yeah. Is that him? Oh, that is him.
Oh man. Alright, so we just got here. Got everything. Car's over here. Looks like you got a carbon fiber hood. Pretty banged up, but this is all we need right here is the engine, transmission, a couple things. Fenders. Door seems to be good. I made sure the ECU was still in there. Everything shifts like it should. Windshield's still good, so someone can use that. Windows are still good. Back seats are in. He took the front seats. They're like EP3 seats, so I don't really care about those. And yeah, pretty good. When they said go to the first window, I should pull up with this one with the back car with no one in it.
You want me to sit back there? Record it?
And then you pay. Alright guys, so we just made it. Finally made it over here. No seats. Go ahead, Martin, drive it. I've never really seen that, like an airbag rip like that. It's kind of crazy how this just pops off like that. That's crazy.
Oh, that's a nice
that must have
shifter.
just hit his face so hard, bro. I'll take the little shifter though.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Thanks, baller. Did he give me the key?
Yeah, he did. It's on top of the dash.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we can't sell any of this interior, but yep. The windshield, everything's good. Sunroof's good.
Yeah.
Borla exhaust. If you guys ever heard of that, let me know. Maybe let me know what it's worth. I'm gonna try and sell that as well. Tail lights can be sold. A couple things on this car, not much, but.
Now we know why he crashed.
What happened?
He was lying this whole time. Now we know why he crashed. Look.
So yeah, I think I will move this car, one more car, and then I think I should have enough room to be comfortable in here to work on it. Yeah. Let's turn the lights on and get a better look at this car real quick. Let's take a better look at it. Seems like he got these brand new, but from the crash they're all broken. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is real carbon fiber. So that thing is smashed up, no good. I think this headlight might still be good. Pretty sure it is. Yeah. And he actually had MB battles on here. He took them off because originally he wanted 2,500 and I told him keep whatever you want. So he had EP3 seats, like black ones, and he took those out. What else? I think that was it. Oh yeah, he took the wing and the wheels, and we got it down to 1,500. I guess some people were just like giving him the runaround, or you know, people flake on you all the time when you're selling stuff. So when you got a buyer, you gotta kind of gotta just like jump on it, you know. But yeah. Oh, you also had yeah, this is real. He had a carbon fiber front lip that's broken in half. What is this? I'm not quite sure what this is. It's like a Broadway mirror or something, like a racing one or something. The taillights looks like we can sell those. There's some water getting in there. It's probably from the little gaskets, but yeah, see what we can sell. Obviously we're gonna take the engine and everything for the swap, and then whatever's left over, yeah, I'll just sell it and try and make some money back from what I. But $1,500 for a whole shell plus the engine and everything, it's not a bad deal. So that's that. I never really looked up close on these cars, and this one's got like a nice pearl in it. The white does. I'm not sure if they're all like that. There's still a double dim in here. Maybe I could throw that in a Civic as well. Yeah, I'll definitely see what else I can grab off this that I could possibly maybe use on the RSX, and definitely the Civic. So yeah, thanks to Martin taking this trip with me. And actually, we forgot to mention, we got pulled over as well on the way back. But cop let us go. He was pretty cool about it. I don't know if he really could even give us a ticket, but we forgot to put a plate on the back of the car while we were driving it, so maybe we can get a ticket for that. This is all smashed up in here. Looks like he had HIDs. Yeah, an HID kit, but yeah. Let me open this, show you guys.
Chill. Don't rip off my little carbon hood.
No way. You probably can't. I don't think you can fix this.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, I don't think you can fix that. What if you go? Oh, you got it. Nice. Does he have the hood prop thing? Oh, right there.
Cold air intake.
Cold air intake. Could sell that bad boy. And
20 horsepower.
yeah, it's not really that bad actually. I'm gonna probably hook this end up to, like, I don't know, to a car or something, and pull this all forward. So I'll just like wrap a rope around this, maybe a rope around this, and just pull it till it's straight. That should work. I don't know. These wires right here actually like almost on the belt, but it's not too bad, man. Not a bad car. It's got 150,000 miles, and I think I got a pretty good deal. I mean, it's not the best condition, and it's a pretty old engine, but OEM Acura battery, seems like it's not even old either, so might actually throw that in a Civic as well. And yeah, so we got shifter cables, we got the engine, transmission, ECU, might be able to use the axles. I might actually, because somebody let me know I could do power steering as well, so we got that. It's pretty bad, like rusted, but I think that was like the amount of time he had it outside, maybe sitting. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. And yeah, I don't know when we're gonna pull this, but hopefully it's soon. And for those of you that watched the other upload I did before this one, we ended up painting everything for the RSX, which is still right here. This is like the results. Came out pretty good. Just wanted to show you guys. And I'm actually gonna put AC back in the car, which is right there. And I have everything I need right here. This is for the EP3 rack, as well as this, and this as well. All the brackets I need to do the rack. Where's the rack at? Show you guys the result. Final result. Came out pretty good. I painted this black right here. Came out pretty good. And all that's nicely painted. So if you guys missed the other upload I did and how I painted in, how I did all that, it's the upload right before this one. So for those of you asking about the Civic content and all that, if you guys have any other suggestions or anything I should pull off the RSX, anything I'm missing, let me know down in the comments. I've never done a swap like this on the EK before, so any suggestions, any tips or anything like that you guys want to let me know, more than welcome to do that. Mine don't have anything to say, so I don't either. Hopefully you guys like this update, and I'll see you guys on the next one.